Have you ever wondered how to navigate the Sarkari job landscape? In the world of job hunting, Sarkari jobs or government jobs stand as a beacon of stability and fulfillment. These jobs are coveted for their security, benefits, and the prestige associated with serving the public sector. However, maneuvering through this landscape can be quite the challenge, with a myriad of opportunities spanning across sectors such as education, healthcare, administration, and more. The task of finding the right job can seem daunting. Add to this the complexity of understanding various examination patterns, keeping up with the latest job openings, and the dynamic nature of the job market. The quest for a Sarkari job becomes a test of perseverance. But fear not, just as every journey becomes easier with a reliable companion, the path to Sarkari jobs is made simpler with SarkariJobsWork.online. This is where SarkariJobsWork.online steps in, serving as your companion on the journey towards professional success. One of the key features of SarkariJobsWork.online is its extensive and regularly updated list of government job opportunities. Let's dive into this a bit more. Imagine having a whole world of opportunities at your fingertips. From the bustling corridors of the education sector to the life-saving realm of healthcare, from the intricate workings of administration to the countless other sectors available, SarkariJobsWork.online brings together a diverse array of government jobs. It's like a bustling marketplace where you can browse and choose based on your interests and expertise. The platform is constantly refreshed with new opportunities, ensuring you never miss out on that dream job. It's like having a diligent friend who keeps an eye out for you, constantly updating you with the latest job openings. This comprehensive and up-to-date listing is designed to keep you in the loop, giving you the edge in your career pursuit. Whether you're seeking employment in education, healthcare, administration, or any other sector, SarkariJobsWork.online is your one-stop destination. Keep exploring, keep achieving. Navigating through the vast array of available positions is made easy with the user-friendly interface of SarkariJobsWork.online. Picture this. You're faced with a sea of opportunities, but you're not adrift. Instead, you're steering your own ship with a well-organized compass in hand. That's what the interface of SarkariJobsWork.online feels like. It's well-organized, intuitive, and designed with your needs in mind. The layout is clear and simple, making it easy to find what you're looking for. No more endless scrolling or confusing menus. Instead, everything is just a click away. It's like having a personal assistant that instantly sorts, categorizes, and presents the best Sarkari jobs that match your skill set and career aspirations. What's more, the platform's design is not just about aesthetics. It's about efficiency. It's about making your job search smoother, faster, and more successful. With SarkariJobsWork.online, you can efficiently search, filter, and find the Sarkari jobs that align with your skills and aspirations. Keeping up with the dynamic job market is crucial for success, and SarkariJobsWork.online ensures just that. The platform operates with the understanding that time is of the essence in a bustling job market, especially when it comes to Sarkari jobs. Therefore, it offers timely updates and notifications about the latest job openings, allowing users to seize opportunities as soon as they arise. But it doesn't stop there. SarkariJobsWork.online also keeps you informed about crucial dates, whether it's the deadline for applications, dates for examinations, or the announcement of results. It ensures that you never miss a beat in your journey towards a Sarkari job. Moreover, the platform provides updates on relevant information like changes in job criteria, modifications in exam patterns, and amendments in government policies. In essence, SarkariJobsWork.online acts as your personal assistant, keeping you informed and prepared, so you can navigate the Sarkari job landscape with confidence. Stay ahead in the competitive job market with SarkariJobsWork.online. Government job examinations often have specific patterns and requirements. SarkariJobsWork.online understands this and offers much more than just job listings. In the labyrinth of exam preparation, it serves as a guiding light, offering resources tailored to your needs. From comprehensive study materials to insights on exam patterns, this platform ensures you're well equipped to tackle the challenges ahead. Imagine having a library of resources at your fingertips, inclusive of previous years, question papers, detailed syllabi, and expert curated study materials. Not to mention insights on the likely exam patterns that can give you an edge over your competitors. But it doesn't stop there. SarkariJobsWork.online also provides tips and tricks to enhance your preparation strategy, to manage time effectively, and to boost your confidence. It's like having a personal mentor guiding you at every step, helping you to unlock your full potential. Equip yourself with the tools needed to excel in your pursuit of Sarkari jobs with SarkariJobsWork.online. Navigating the Sarkari job landscape is not just about finding the right job. It's also about finding the right support. This journey, filled with opportunities and challenges, is a shared one. And that's where the strength of community comes into play. At SarkariJobsWork.online, we believe in the power of community. Our platform fosters a community atmosphere where job seekers can connect, share insights, and encourage one another. We've seen how shared experiences, tips, and success stories can inspire and motivate. It's about more than just individual success. It's about our collective growth, our shared dreams, and our mutual support. It's about turning competition into collaboration, where every job seeker's success story becomes a source of inspiration for others. So, remember, when you're part of the Sarkari Jobs Work online community, you're never walking this path alone. At SarkariJobsWork.online, you're not alone in your journey towards a fulfilling career. Sarkari Jobs Work Online is not just a job portal. It's a comprehensive platform designed to empower and guide job seekers. It's a beacon illuminating the path for those striving for a fulfilling career in the government sector. With its exhaustive job listings spanning diverse sectors, it's your go-to destination to uncover opportunities that align with your skills and aspirations. The platform's user-friendly interface makes navigating through the vast array of available positions a breeze, and with timely updates and notifications, you're always in the loop, ready to seize the day as new openings arise. But SarkariJobsWork.online doesn't stop there. It offers guidance for exam preparation, arming you with the tools needed to outshine the competition. And lest we forget, the motivational content and community support that keep you inspired and connected throughout your journey. As you embark on your journey towards a fulfilling career, let SarkariJobsWork.online be your partner. Visit SarkariJobsWork.online today and start your job search.